All right, so welcome back to my new video on constants, using constants in Go application. Go supports constants of character, string, Boolean, numeric values. So let's jump into the IDE and see how GoLang declares constants. All right, so I'm already in the IDE. So inside YouTube tutorials, I'm going to create a directory called constants. And within the constants directory, I'm going to create a Go file. I'm going to call it main. And I'm going to import FMT. And then, okay, let me do this. I'm going to import FMT and then math library. Okay, so outside the main function, I'm going to declare a constant, a string constant, and I'm going to call it name, and then the type is string, and then I'm going to call it dollars. Okay, and within the main function, I'm going to print name. Okay, so if I run this, you can see dollars as the output. Okay, so I'm going to declare another constant inside the main function, and I'm going to call it A is equal to, let's say, 100,000. Okay, 100,000. And then I'm going to declare another constant called B. Then let me call it B. Okay, B. And then going to declare this number a huge number. And then divide that number by A. And then we can now print B. Okay, let me call it just C. And then this huge number, I'm going to call it B. B is equal to this huge number. And then I'm going to say B divided by A. And then we assign it to the constant C. And then we print C. Okay. So let me run this. So as you can see, this is the value of C. Okay, let me just say value of C. Okay, and then run this. So as you can see, the value of C is this value right here. And can also print C as a float. Okay, so I'm going to, or an integer. Let me just make it an integer of 64 bits and then pass in C, the value C. Okay, so if I run this, so you can see this is a huge number of at least 15 zeros. It's a huge number. So the last thing I want to do is to convert the A to a sign. So I'm going to call math.sign of A, and then math.cosine of 90. Okay, so if I print this, so let me go back and switch into constants folder, and then I say go run. So you can see the value of sign A is this number, and then cos 90 is negative 448 approximately. That's to like 3 decimal places. Okay, so this is how you declare constants using GoLang. You could declare a constant in the main function, or you can declare it outside the main function and then call it within the main function. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you in the next one.